Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Specifically, a quick and easy art tutorial. It's me again, Rithia, just being here, I guess. I forgot how to do intros. Sorry. Anyways, this is going to be a quick and easy way to draw chains. So I'll just give you like something super quick. So yeah, I know that like chains are like kind of hard to do. Trust me, I've had to do them a few times. But well, I've got I guess two methods I could show you. One of them is for like something a bit more simple you can use for like background stuff, and the other one, not quite much. Okay, let me get a thicker outline. Hold on. So what you're gonna do for the simple thing, draw two parallel lines. I know those aren't perfectly parallel, but I don't care. So yeah, you got that. Next, you're going to draw something kind of like that. Let me get a better one on there. And then you are going to draw a little box in between them. See? And do that again, just over here, if I can even get a line. Draw another box. And let me put one down here too. And there you go. You got a few chains. Okay, let me draw just one more. Let me just erase that a little bit. Which, by the way, I know that I'm like creating like a bit of a diagonal line, but you can also go like a bit more of a rounded line too, and then make it more of like a box. But like this is more like for like simple chains or like background chains. So it's not really much of like a focus. It's just like super easy. I can't. I don't know if this part is like hard or not because like I'm just not. Well, I don't have a very steady hand whenever it comes to drawing. So yeah, that is a very bad looking chain. Like, hold on. Actually, it's good. But yeah, there you have it. You have a thing of chains. So you can also kind of use that method for like other stuff. You just need to figure out how to switch the perspective. Like here, let me see if I can figure out how to do this. I don't really draw chains that often either. So this is like the best I can do. Okay, that doesn't look very good. Hold on. Let me just go for lines. There you go. Those are kind of chains. I mean, they don't look very good, but still, from a distance, they look pretty cool. But yeah, hopefully now you know how to draw chains. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys later. Oh, also, Doug. Sorry. I think my thing really wanted to unplug. Um, don't get sick, follow all quarantine procedures, stay safe, and get vaccinated whenever it's your turn, if you can, of course. And also have a good day, good week, good month, and all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys later. Bye bye!